Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is very special day for us. Today is our day. Today is Children's Day. So in this video, we discuss about Children's Day. In Sri Lanka, Children's Day is celebrated on 1st October annually with the international of increasing public awareness about rights of children. The United Nations Declaration on the Rights of the Children has stated that mankind owes to the child the best it has to give. Children's Day began on the second Sunday of June in 1857 by Reverend Dr. Charles Leonard. Children's Day was first officially declared a national holiday by the Republic of Turkey in 1920 with a set date of 23rd April. Children's Day has been celebrated nationally since 1920 with the government and the newspapers of the time declaring it a day for the children. The officially recognized the date of the Children's Day varies countries in the countries. Thailand celebrated the Children's Day on 2nd Saturday of January. Bangladesh celebrated the Children's Day on 17th March. Taiwan and Hong Kong celebrated the Children's Day on 4th April. South Korea and Japan celebrated the Children's Day on 5th May. One of the most special days of the year for child is Children's Day, which is dedicated entirely to kids. It is a day that is unique and gives you and your child the opportunity to make your lifelong memories. Now I tell you fun and interesting ways to celebrate Children's Day and fun activities to host on Children's Day. You must decide how you want to celebrate Children's Day. If you are organizing a party at home, it is crucial to come up with that special theme or idea to work with and find appropriate Children's Day decoration ideas to suit the theme. And if it is a special day out, it is important to find activities centered around your kids. Remember that the most important thing is for your child to be surrounded by loved ones. So first thing is attend a special event and dance party, camping, bake with them and visit a water park. And interesting ways are pool games, hiking, take them to bowling and take them to the planetarium. So let's be the children our nation is proud of and create a better tomorrow for everyone around. I wish you all the best and a happy Children's Day.